Okay, as I've said, gentlemen, uulitin ko ha. Yung pagsulat sa garbage record book, dapat UTC, hindi po local time. Okay? Kasi applicable ang local time kung ang vessel mo ay domestic fly only. Okay lang yun, iisa lang ang zone time mo. Okay? Pero kung international fly ang vessel mo, ang trade route ng barko mo, dapat UTC kasi magkakaiba tayo ng zone description. Okay? So we need to prove to the third party again or to any inspector that we are complying according to the regulation. Okay? Did you understand? So dapat UTC ang input doon, hindi local time. Okay? Proceed tayo. Yung isa naman, pinakita niya. So what is the category? Category B. That is food waste. Gentlemen, tingnan nyo rito yung garbage category. Nakikita nyo ba? Okay. If you want to take photo, you can take photo para meron kayong guidance pag nag-review ko tayo nag-exam and before mag-review bago mag-exam mamaya. Okay? Please, take photo. Romel Malaluan. Picturean mo to para meron kang isasagot mamaya po. Okay? Bobier? Johnson? Ayan. So, ayan yung mga categories kasi baka mamaya makita nyo, ano ba yung A? Category A, ano ba yung B? Okay? Kasi sa haba niyan, hindi mo na pwedeng isulat yan dito sa garbage record book. So, we need to put only is the as per category. Okay? So, binigay niya rin itong example is category B. Ano ba yung category B? It is food waste. See disposal subject to restrictions given in Marpol Annex 5 and GMP. Okay? The Garbage Management Plan. Okay? Tuloy tayo. Sa another column, so we need to put, sabi niya, ang kanyang hinihingi ay cubic meter. So, ilang cubic meter ba yan? So, ang inilagay niya kanina, ipinakita niya is 0.02. So, parang isang balde lang yon. Assuming. No? Ganun lang naman yon. So, we need to put as per cubic meter, yun ang unit na hinihingi niya. Okay? Any question? Wala? Tuloy tayo ha. Yun ang sinasabi natin. Okay? Pirmahan na. Pirma. Pagdating sa dulo, pirma ng person in charge. Okay, hindi ko sinasabing si chief officer lang palagi. Sometimes, si captain o si master